Look around you, bottles are everywhere. At home, in school, at offices, at playground, and even in the most unexpected places we use them every single day. They keep us hydrated, they make our lives easier, and they travel with us wherever we go. But when you are done, what happens next? For many, the story ends the moment the bottle is empty, tossed in a trash can, left on a roadside, or drafting into rivers and oceans. Every year, billions of bottles are discarded, piling up into mountains of waste. And here's the truth: plastic bottles don't just disappear, they can take up to 450 years to decompose. That means that every first plastic bottle ever made is still on this planet today. Imagine that, centuries of pollution. Each bottle matters, each action counts. Together we can build a cleaner, together world, one bottle at a time. So next time you finish your drink, remember the power make a difference is right in your hands. Recycle today for a better tomorrow. Look around you. Bottles are everywhere at home, at school, at office, at playground, and even in the most unexpected places. We use them every single day. They keep us hydrated, they make our lives easier, and they travel with us wherever we go. But when we are done, what happens next? For many, the story ends the moment the bottle is empty, tossed in a trash can, left on a road ship, or drafting into rivers and ocean. Every year, billions of bottles and are discarded, piling up into mountains of waste. And here's the truth: plastic bottles don't just disappear; they can take up to 450 years to decompose. That means the very first plastic bottle ever made is still on this planet. Imagine that, centuries of pollution from something we use for only a few minutes. The impact is devastating. Devastating. Our oceans are filling with plastic, marine animals, mistakes, bottles for food, leading to suffering and death. Bird, fish, even turtles all paying the price for our convenience. And it the price for our convenience, and it doesn't stop with wildlife. Over time, bottles break into microplastic, teeny particles that enter our water, our soil, and eventually our bodies. But it doesn't have to be this way. Every bottle has a chance to add a second life. This is the power of recycling. When you place a bottle in the recycling bin, it begins a remarkable transformation. Trucks collect it, facilities sort it, machines wash it, and then the magic begins. Keep smiling, keep shining. If you want to watch more videos like this, we will try to bring best part of videos for you, for our beautiful viewers and subscribers.